So I went to the grocery store the other day and I instinctively reach out for that bagged salad. And I'm thinking, wait a minute, what am I doing? Why am I buying salad? I've got salad growing. I've got lettuce, I've got kale, I've got spinach. I've got what I need to make salad. So why am I buying it? Are we addicted to buying things off the shelf? I started thinking about it more and I'm like, well, I like the salad dressing that's in there. Big deal. You can make your own salad dressing too. And then I'm thinking, well, it comes with croutons, but I don't need the croutons. I can make my own croutons. So are we really, as a society, do you think that we're addicted to just buying things off the shelf at the grocery store? I mean, what is that all about? Because after all, kale and lettuce are some of the easiest plants to grow. Let's get growing. So then it made me think, why am I buying so many plants? Because I have enough plants and I have plants that I can propagate. Let's go check some of those plants out. So here's a for instance, this guy right here, I can propagate that. Let the end dry up, let it sit for about a week, put it in soil, it will grow, I'll have another plant. Same thing, cut one of these off, let the end dry up a little bit where I cut it, put it in soil, got a new plant. Let's move on. Do I want another hardy aloe? Why, yes, I do. Thank you very much. New plant. What else do I have? Do I want some more alyssum? Why, yes, I do. Sprinkle, sprinkle, more alyssum. Oh yeah, we'll take some more of that sedum joy. And how about a pretty aeonium? To do is just tear a little bit of this off and I can put it in another pot and it will grow. New plant. Even this sedum ground cover, I can take some of that and put it in other places in the garden or in pots. Works great. And maybe I'll take a few ladyfingers. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying never buy at the store, never buy at the nursery, but I'm saying save yourself money, stop and really think about it. Do you have what you need at home to be more satisfied? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Get what I need right here in my garden. Doesn't always mean I have to spend money to get happy in the garden.